Okay, so cocktail making, is that what we're doing?
That is what we're doing.
Okay, what would you like to start with?
Espresso Martini.
An espresso martini, that's a good choice. Luckily I have everything to make an espresso martini right here. So we'll start. You're going to need 50 ml of vodka. This is the little Grey Goose variety. It's very good and half the price. You'll then want a coffee liqueur such as Kahlua or Tia Maria, and then you want simple syrup. It's best if you use simple syrup. It's just 1 part water to 1 part sugar, and then you make that in advance and it makes life a lot easier. And then probably the most important aspect is the espresso. So right, let's start building the drink. Get your glass over here. Right, so first off, espresso, 1 shot. You can make that with instant if you want, but you know, if you've got an espresso machine or an espresso machine, may as well use that. And then we're going to use the simple syrup. We're going to use 25 ml, which is a small measure if you've got them at home. Put that there and try not to knock it over. And then we're going to do just shy of 50 ml, so about 40 ml of Kahlua. And this is for 1 drink. This is your drink, yeah?
Yes.
You're normally more responsive than this. I understand, there's a certain amount of pressure in doing this. And then we're going to take the vodka. I mean, the espresso is important, but this is probably the most important bit. And we're going to do a 50 ml serving. What time is it? Probably a little bit more. Help with digestion. Okay, and then luckily I have my ice. I'd like to get a nice ice bucket, so Sinead, if you take note of this for Christmas.
Noted.
Thank you. Because otherwise it just looks like doing some baking. Okay, and that's basically the entire build of the drink. Make that sure that is in. And you want to get your shaker. And you do that for about 20 to 30 seconds, so amuse yourselves for a moment. You should really have like cup music or something.
Thinking the cocktail song.
What was that?
The cocktail song.
Cocktail song from Cocktail.
Yes.
Good. Okay, so you've shaken it up and you want to have this kind of airy consistency because the sugar syrup and the espresso crema is being sort of oxygenated in there, and then you should have a nice frothy espresso martini being served up. So let's just pour that.
What can you use if you don't have one of those grill things?
Tricky to say. You do need to shake this cocktail, so you need to have a kit, but it is the festive season, so I'm sure there are little Christmas lists out there that could benefit from this sort of thing. This is something I like to do, and this is something that we do in bars anyway, is just fresh coffee beans for presentation. And the traditional is to do 3 on the top. And the espresso martini, invented late 90s, early 2000s in New York. Apparently a woman went to a barman, I need something that's going to wake me up and mess me up. I won't swear, but there you go, the espresso martini. Do you want to try it?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Are you comfortable using my phone with 1 hand?
No.
Okay.